the cologne?
Yeah, bro.
Bro, I got it right here.
Oh shit, let me check it out, bro.
Bro, it's legit. Smell it. Spray it.
That's no fire, bro.
Yeah, 200, bro.
You want a 200?
Yeah.
I'll give you more for that trip, bro. That shit was sick, bro.
Hey, appreciate it, bro.
I only got 200 exactly, bro.
I bet. Hey, thanks, bro. Have a good night. One more, guys. One more. Lucky, one more.